Yeah, as you can tell, it's hot in there. So we're gonna revisit that one. Look at that. It's a Forest Service Pulaski. We whittled on it a little bit the other day, and then had to take a break because it was about 95 degrees in here. It's hot, so we cut her short. We're gonna finish this thing up today, finish the fit, and stay tuned. Let's be with us. I mean, that's a 40-inch handle, by the way. That's at Whiskey River. Oh, that's where we left off. We set her on down there. I mean, we have thinned this thing down a lot. This used to be fat. So we're gonna skin her here, skin here, and get to her. We're checking to see where the pill marks are. You can see how super thin that is. We're gonna need to cut this deeper because where we want this sitting down here, and we're not gonna have a whole lot on there. So we got to cut that like at least another inch. Also do a little bit of file work in there. All right. Make sure you flip it so you get it all. And back we go. It's wanting to push down on this side. So we're going to take more off this side. All right. Alrighty. See what we got here. if you got it and you ain't afraid to cheat, and you got one of these axes, got those in there, and preferably have a sharp gouge. You can gouge this out, make it a heck of a lot easier on yourself. There we go. Do a little cleanup on the sand job and cut that kerf a little more, and we're going to send this thing home. Never hit play, but I'm mad at myself now, but I cut that kerf deeper. We're going to send this thing home. And there you go. Still see the gouges in there, but this is a Whiskey River handle, and I'm not too impressed with them. This is a B grade though, so maybe that's why. Maybe that's why they kind of suck, but I'm just, God, I'm just not impressed. I heard so much good things about them, but I figured, you know, with a reputation like they are, their B grades wouldn't be that bad. But they're pretty terribly unstraight. I mean, it'll work. It'll work, but I'm not a fan. Set this thing on it. I know that's cheating. If I do that, then it sits right when I go to force it on. See? B grade. I don't know if you can tell, but it just ain't that straight. It's pretty Tiger King-ish. Somebody disrupted my stuff. It's there. God, that's deep. Real deep. Get y'all some backlighting there. My bad. We'll dress it up. Put a walnut wedge in there. Quite a huge wedge. You know, and that kerf goes down in here. And so we're gonna fill it up. We're gonna leave it kind of wide, just for giggles. Not to go super heavy on the glue today, because normally I go too dang heavy. And it's just not good. I think I went heavy again. Gosh dang it. You'll have that on them big jobs. Yeah. I'm a mess. We're going to have a lot more than that squish out. But let's send this baby home. I hope you guys can see. I'll put that there. I seen a guy flip one of these upside down, and it looked like it worked pretty good, so we're gonna try it. We're about halfway. So. And we're gonna stop there. And we're gonna cut that off, all right? We're gonna leave her high. We're gonna sand her off, but we're gonna leave her high. Oh, that's nice. We might throw a pinhole back in or something in there another day. But that looks good. We're gonna go test her out in the next video. So you guys stay tuned. If you like it, give her a thumbs up. But we're gonna be using her a day or two when it's not muddy. We've had a lot of rain in Oklahoma, so isn't that awesome? I got a little bull linseed all over it. But that's freaking sweet. See you on the next one.